Welcome back to Mr. Keller's tutorial on OnShape. Uh, we're going to be looking at geometric constraints exercise today, modified from PLTW's original assignment to fit OnShape. So here we have assignment number 26, geometric on, and here's the link to OnShape for Columbus City Schools. And here is the instructions. So part A, in OnShape, copy the shared file geometric constraints by right-clicking the document, then selecting Copy Workspace, and then drag and drop the copy in your IED folder on OnShape. Okay, so here we are in OnShape, and you should have a file in your documents. So if you go to Documents, you should see geometric constraints. What you should do is right-click, or on the Chromebook, two-finger mouse click and select Copy Workspace. Okay, geometric constraints, copy, click OK, and it will open that copy right away. Okay, what you should do then to drag it into your folder is to go back to OnShape and then select the copy. Just click on this open space here. Don't click on the name. That'll take you back. And drag it and drop it into your IED folder. Okay. Then once you do that, go into your folder and open the document like so. And then you'll notice down here there's a second tab that actually has the instructions contained right here within OnShape, which is a nice feature. Okay, so we can read the instructions right here. So now we did A, so part B, edit sketch 2. Check show constraints, then follow the instructions for each number using these pictured constraints. So you're looking for these icons, and you're going to do 9 different little mini activities, and each number instruction corresponds to the box you're working in. Okay, so let's edit sketch 2 and show constraints. Let's go here, double click sketch 2, check show constraints, and then of course we want to look straight at the paper, so you can hit N or the front here. All right, so let's go to our instructions. So first one says make all 3 lines coincident at one endpoint. So we're looking for the word coincident. Okay, so all the constraints, now my screen is wider, so you'll see them all up here, but they are in a drop down, if you have a smaller screen, right just to the right of the dimension tool. So if you find the dimension tool, the geometric constraints are just to the right of that. And the first instruction says the coincident tool. So if we hover over each of these, we can see its name. If you have the drop down box, it lists the name right next to it. So coincident. And we want to make all 3 endpoints coincident at the same place. So we're going to click one endpoint and a second one. Okay. And then another endpoint and that same one where the other 2 are joined. Okay. Make sure you don't highlight the body. That will do something else, or highlight the body of the line segments. That will do something else. We want only the endpoints to be joined. And boom, you're done. Okay, and then go on to the next instruction, and when you're done, mark it, this assignment is done.